If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome back to another episode of Chef Lall's Kitchen. And today we're gonna be making an Indo-Chinese recipe, the dragon prawn. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 500 grams of prawn, and in my case these are tiger prawn without the head. And if you want to know how to clean, cut and devein the prawn, then you can check my episode on that. I will give a link in the description box below. Then about 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, some salt to taste. Then for the vegetables, we need onion, capsicum or jalapeno and carrot, which are cut into juliennes. Then about half a cup of refined flour and quarter cup of corn flour. Then take all the prawn in a bowl and to that add half of the ginger and garlic paste, all the red chili powder, all the garam masala powder, all the black pepper powder and some salt to taste. Now with the help of a spoon, you can gently coat all of them. Then after you are done, coat them again with all the refined flour and corn flour. And by seeing the quantity of refined flour and corn flour, you may be feeling that it's too much for such a small amount of prawns. But I will explain this in a moment. So once they are well coated, take lots of oil in a pan for deep frying and set the flame on high. Then add the prawns one by one just to prevent them from sticking to each other, and fry them for about 5-6 minutes or until they are golden and crisp. Then take a pan and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and first add the rest of the ginger and garlic paste along with the chopped green chilies and saute them for a couple of minutes. Then to that add the vegetables, the onion, carrot and the jalapeno, or you can also use capsicum. Now saute these for a couple of minutes on high flame. Then to that add some salt to taste, the tomato ketchup, chili sauce, soya sauce and the vinegar. Now just combine these really well. Do you remember about the excess refined flour and corn flour mixture along with the spices? Just add about half a cup of water and with the help of a spoon make a mixture of it. So this is nothing but a slurry. And what this will do, it will just combine with all the sauce and spices and will really help to coat on all the prawns. Now just cook it for a minute, then add all the prawns and coat them really well. Then switch off the flame. And that's it, an Indo-Chinese classic, dragon prawn. Do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.